back to our channel. So today in this video we are going to discuss about how to use labels to organize Trello boards. So without wasting much of our time, let's get straight into the video. So if you want to use labels to organize your Trello boards, all you can do is simply go to your Trello. Once you are in your Trello, all you can do now is simply tap it and log in into your account. After this, you need to first add and name labels to card by opening a card and clicking add labels. Or you can also use the L shortcut on the card and you can then use the labels to categorize cards by project, priority or team, and then filter the board by label using the filter button or the F shortcut to view only specific cards. So by creating it and editing your labels, you can simply use labels to organize Trello boards. So this will filter your board, categorize tasks, and search for cards. I hope you found this video helpful, so don't forget to hit that subscribe button and to give us a thumbs up. We will be back again with more informative videos. Thank you for watching and stay tuned for our next video. We will be back again really soon.